In the past few months, everyone has been talking about how to make money from the Midjourney that revolutionized artificial intelligence. But recently Midjourney has moved to a paid plan and is no longer free to the public. So most of people are now looking for new artificial intelligence that can deliver similar results. And I think I found a solution what exactly you're looking for. Then guys, watch till the end of the video. So, before go to the video, please make sure subscribe to the channel. Introducing Leonardo.ai. This is AI art generator like Midjourney, but this is completely free for everyone. So first thing first, you should search Leonardo.ai on the Google, and after go to their site. Then, you can see, at the top, right-click on Get Early Access. They ask for your email and then, you'll be asked to join their Discord server. But this time, we don't use the Discord. Leonardo's generation happens on the web. Look, top of the right side, Launch App. See it? Click on the Launch App and then click on the Yes, I'm Whitelist button. After that, you can see their home page. These are super high quality and most of them are much better than what you'd be able to get with Midjourney. How amazing, right? What I really like about this is that it offers the ability to see the prompt and all the settings that were used to generate this exact image. You're also able to go through certain ages or versions of the artwork. And some even offer these without a background, meaning that you'd be able to generate images without worrying about removing the background later on. This everything are free of charge. Lot of the other not so good image generating tools use token-based system, and so does Leonardo. The good thing about this, Leonardo update tokens every 24 hours. Sometimes it changes 22 hours, 20 hours, something like that. Which means you get 150 tokens every day. Let's look at the features when it comes to generating the image itself. Head to AI Generation Tool. This page has so many things to look at. So we'll take these things one by one slowly. Firstly, this box here is where you can enter the prompts. The detailed the prompt is, the more accurate the result will be. On the left side you have a few interesting options, some of which don't come with Midjourney's free plan. You are able to pick the number of images that you want to generate with each prompt. The default is set to 4 and I think it's an ideal number. Next you have the image dimensions. Note that Leonardo has been trained on the 1024 by 1024 dimension, and therefore you will see better results using that. Down below, you have the guidance scale. This is basically how strongly your prompt is weighted. Or in other words, how restricted Leonardo will be when using your prompt. A level of 1 will allow Leonardo to use a lot of creativity and come up with an image. That is not exactly what your prompt is at. A very high level, be more strict with your prompt. I'd recommend something near 7. After that, you have the tiling option. This is really useful if you're creating patterns or backgrounds or something that's repeating. This is great for many things and can help even some business models. Next, we have two options: image to image and image prompt. These are pretty straightforward. The first option, image to image, will generate a new image using an image that you upload with. The next option, Leonardo will do. It's best to figure out what prompt would give a similar image to the one that you have uploaded. These features are extremely helpful and more effective, and a much better alternative to Midjourney. Let's take a look how to make money with Leonardo.ai. Printify is a print-on-demand site which will take your digital image and print it on their products that you can sell. What's great about this is that they will even package and ship the product to your customer. So there's very minimal work that's needed to be done by you. Let's see how we can use this. I'll try a towel. Let's click on this product and then start designing. Now let's back into the Leonardo and generate whatever you want to put in your design. I type here something that I want to put in my design. Normally, it takes 20 seconds to generate the image. Then upload your image from Leonardo and you can adjust the image a way you like. And once you're done, select Preview. You can see how it's look like. You can do this to so many products such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, curtains, shoes and so much more. Since you're only creating the designs and uploading them on Printify, does all the rest for you. You can earn much more money doing this as a passive income. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, please don't forget subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye.